Changing the air filter on the 2023 and newer Jeep Compass with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is straightforward, but it does take a little bit of effort, some basic tools, and about 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Before you start, be sure your vehicle is parked in a safe place and is turned off. When working under the hood, be mindful of hot items such as the turbocharger, which is mounted at the front of the engine. The air filter box is located at the top of the engine and easily accessed. You'll need a large Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket to remove the bolts that secure the air filter box lid. It does take a bit of effort to remove the 5 relatively long bolts at the sides and at the front of the box. Once they're free, the box is held in place by tabs at the back and can be hinged upward and lifted away. That'll allow you access to the filter element. Simply pull it out. To replace the filter, simply reverse the order of removal. Be sure the new filter is seated properly and not pinched in any way that would damage it or cause the box to leak. Ensuring the tabs at the rear of the box are in place and properly set, you can then go about replacing and tightening down the 5 bolts at the side and the front. That's it. You're done.